Hello and welcome back to Excel Basic course. In this video, we'll be learning about two more useful functions in Excel, the max and min functions. The max function is used to find the maximum value in a range of cells, while the min function is used to find the minimum value. These functions are useful for finding extreme values in your data. To use the max and min functions, you'll need to enter a formula in a cell. The formula should start with the equal sign, followed by the function name, max or min. Then, you'll need to specify the range of cells that you want to find the maximum or minimum value for. You can do this by typing in the cell references separated by a comma, or you can simply select the cells with your mouse. Let's take a look at an example. In this spreadsheet, we have a list of sales figures for a small business. We want to know the highest and lowest sales figures for the year. To do this, we can use the max and min functions to find the maximum and minimum values in the Sales column. First, we'll click on the cells where we want the maximum and minimum values to appear. Then, we'll enter the formulas equals max B2, B10, and for minimum value we shall enter equals min B2, B10. When we hit enter, Excel calculates the maximum and minimum values and displays them in the cells. As you can see, the highest sales figure for the year is $5,000, while the lowest is $1,000. Here are a few tips for using the max and min functions. You can use the max and min functions on any range of cells, as long as they contain numeric values. If you have a range of cells that contain both numeric values and text, the max and min functions will ignore the text and only find the maximum and minimum of the numeric values. You can also use the max and min functions to find the maximum and minimum values of cells from multiple sheets within the same workbook. Simply specify the sheet name and cell references in the formula. That's it for the max and min functions. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.